DG Nation, this video is being made because I just watched something extremely disturbing from someone who I admired, who I looked up to, who inspires me. But then again, everybody could be ignorant at some point, right? Michio kaku. This is to you. I respect much of your work and admire your intelligence. However, to categorize humans that question the intentions and ideas of those who have oppressed us since the creation of government and church and call us terrorists is rather disturbing. Isn't that what the Catholic Church used to do to you scientists when you had any fundamental questions about things that they deemed shouldn't be questioned because God, which has created all, is the answer and only answer, and therefore you can't question the Word of God in the eyes of the Catholic Church. Well, I see a lot of the same here in what you're saying. Didn't they accuse scientists of creating a disturbance, heresy, blasphemy, arrest you, sometimes burn you at the stake? Surely you don't agree with that. Let's not taint our intelligence and history of the conservation and distribution of knowledge with this type of ignorance. I am appalled. With that way of thinking, would Isaac Newton have been able to achieve what he had achieved? In binomial theory, laws of universal gravitation, Galileo Galilei was put into house arrest from 1615 for the rest of his life for his works in astronomy and physics. Could there have been an Aristotle if we didn't question? Would we have had an Archimedes? Would he have been able to invent, explain the theory of the lever, create compound pulleys and the screw pump? Could Johannes Kepler have come up with the laws of planetary motion? Or Kepler's conjecture, if he did not question? Could Nikolai Copernicus had discovered that we are not the center of the universe, that we're not even the center of our solar system, and that the sun doesn't go around us, but we go around it, without questions? Michio kaku, you are too intelligent, too genius to be too and so ignorant. You're better than that. Let's not be fooled. Times have not changed. But we cannot stop asking questions. And we cannot be told by the brightest minds that asking questions is against the law. That it should categorize you as a terrorist. And that means you're against society. No, I beg to differ. We would have never gotten where we are now, or have the technologies that we have now, without questions and without looking for the answers. If we just believe what we are told, we would have still thought the earth is flat, or that the sun revolves around us. This is not something to be played with. Throwing the word terrorist out there for simply being inquisitive, for wanting to learn, I don't understand that theory. DG Nation, we must stand up, ask questions, don't be denied, seek answers. It's the only way to find them. Don't believe what you're told. Learn and make an intelligent conclusion to what you see, to what you hear, to what you're told. It's the only way to evolve. And it's the only way to wake up. This dysfunctional genius, please use your right to use your mind. That's all I have to say.